Welcome to CPSC1100. I'm your instructor, Dr. Hong Qin. My office is in EMCS 313B. My email is basically my name with hyphen in between at utc.edu. So let's first go over the syllabus. This is an online course. The online course is different from the face-to-face course. It means you have to check into the UTC Learn on a regular basis, the UTC Learn site, and our 1100 is this. And then you need to go to My Grade and look at what's going to be due. For example, homework 1 will be due January 10, homework 2 January 12, homework 3 January 17, and then the exam 1 will be due January 22. That has to be using respondents. Now you can see the course material by clicking the tab on the left. And the first are the welcome and course orientation. It contains videos for how to submit assignment on UTC Learn with a video, hyperlinked video, and how to do YouTube screencast, how to install JDK on Windows, and how to install BlueJ and test whether it works or not. And then it will have the course content like chapter 1 to 7. For each chapter, I list the learning objective of that chapter and video tutorial to cover the important topic. And then there will be assignment and labs. Assignment and labs. For each chapter, I also list on UTC Learn site. Those materials are released using adaptive release. Once you finish chapter 1 and start doing the chapter 1 exam, and then the assignment for the next chapter will appear on your UTC Learn website. Now all the course material should be available to you. All the course material are listed there. And for some of the course material like chapter 7, I plan to add more tutorial videos. And also for some lab assignment, also plan to add some more examples and hints. Now, and the main learning outcomes is basically introduce you to the computer concept, problem solving, and basic programming skills. And you need to demonstrate how to construct a program using selection, switch, if then, repetition loops, for loops, especially in Java, and also how to do object-oriented programming. Those are two important learning objectives. And the textbook is Big Java. And you need to have to use a computer. You need to use a computer with a reliable internet connection to complete this online course, and also for the video recording of your lab assignment. You also need to use the Respondus Lockdown browser to take online exams, and the instructions are given on the UTC Learn site. Now, there is one important issue is you are required to do screencast for your computer exercise, especially for coding exercise and project development in Java. All because you need to demonstrate all the coding assignments are done by yourself. So basically, this is not a screencast is not asking to submit a movie style smooth video. All you need to do is just record the process of solving the problem. That's all I'm asking for. So if you trying to do several times trying to make a smooth video, then you are missing the point. The whole idea is to record your processing of doing the problem. So, and every now and then you also need to submit a screenshot with your ID attached next to it. The purpose is to show the project is done for this term. And late project will be subject to a 15 point per day deduction, or 15%. That's probably 15% point deduction per day. Yeah, for submission, all file should be in a folder with name like last name, lab 1, and compressed in a single zip file with name like last name lab1.zip. And homework and the lab will count for half of the point. Exam will count on another half of your point. And we're going to cover Big Java from chapter 1 to 7. Your grade will be due on May 7th. At the end of each chapter, I will give you an online exam using Respondus lockdown browser. That's for the multiple choice. For the coding exercise, you need to screencast your coding process. The submission without a video recording for the coding part will not be accepted, and you will receive 0 if no video are submitted. So this alright, let's go back to the UTC side. Go over the layout again. Syllabus, course material. All the course material are already there. Welcome, chapter 1 to 7. If you don't see each chapter, you can expand it by clicking this triangle on the right. So expand it, collapse it. And assignment for each chapter. Each chapter is in a folder. For chapter 1, if you click into it, you will see 3 small assignments for multiple choice, and then a lab coding assignment. The coding assignment, once you click into it, you should remember to write in the submission, attach a file, and you should not submit into the comment section. The lab 1, the instruction. Well, it looks like my internet is a bit slow. You can download the lab 1 instruction. So when you submit the labs, make sure the lab is following the naming convention. For example, for lab 1, you should submit a file, something called last name lab 1 folder, and then zip everything. So that's the format for lab 1. And for lab 2, you change that to lab 2. Last name, if it's exam 1, you change that to exam 1. That's the naming convention.